books came in, guys. More books. Just the start of it. Got about 300 more books coming in. Alright guys, so we are back here next day. This is our 4th day here, and we got a lot complete over there. There's a hole up there on top, on the back there. So what I'm gonna do is I found this tin in the back of the shop. It's the same thing. I'm just washing it up, and then we're gonna screw that so we can cover up the hole that is up there.
Getting tight. The part that's going to kind of get tricky when we're going to have to go to the edge.
Yeah.
Once we get to here.
Shoot, the trim, yeah. Trim, we'll have to adjust. It's not like we're going to walk on it, you know, if there's a little play on the trim on that.
Yeah.
Because there might be a little gap, you know, over there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
5
there, and then that, yep, measure that one this way too.
It'll only stick out 5, yeah, so like...
What's that, 3? No.
It's
Well, we gotta
5.
measure, okay, measure this way.
So this...
Yep, this connects to that.
3 foot plus 5 foot.
Yep, 8. Alright guys, so we just picked up the couch here at the shop, and we're gonna head back to the shop, other shop, and get that couch up there onto the mezzanine.
myself.
Okay, so is it open all the way? There we go.
Yep. And coming this way.
Okay. Even. There we go. We'll just get this front here quick.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, what?
Hold it. Now go.
Okay.
Oh, both sides.
Okay.
Just takes a little bit of strength, right?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay, right there.
Yep.
Okay.
There.
Okay.
This will be the longest part, huh? Okay.
Okay. Good.
Mm-hmm.
Alright guys, so we got that done. This is all in, nice and tight. Now we're gonna move on to this side. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the eye bolts in here first. Then this is just a short run to the wall there. And all I'm using is the 7/8 socket. Goes right over the eye bolt, eye screws, and we'll tighten it quickly.